Well, we all love containers on our porches or our decks. Well, maybe there's a different way to do them. I'm with Eve from Al's Garden Centers, and Eve, you have a little bit of a different kind of palette of plants here for us.
Yeah, we're thinking outside of the container. Since houseplants have become so popular, we have a larger variety of them, and mixing them in with your containers outside is a really fun way to just add more variety to your containers.
That is fun.
Yeah, so we've got some tropicals and some
Okay.
indoor and outdoor plants that we are going to play with.
Great. Now, so what do we have here? What's this first one?
This is a beautiful bromeliad.
Wow.
It's one of my favorites. I love the silver color of it, and it goes really well with the pot right now, so we're kind of mimicking the silvers together.
Nice.
And then to go with that, we have some nice foliage of the Japanese holly fern.
Look at that fern. Oh, that's
Yes.
beautiful with the green.
You can also do another tropical fern. So this one is a perennial. This one is an indoor plant. Or if you want to mimic the silver again, we have this
Ooh, let me grab that
lovely red fern.
How pretty. That's
Right?
That looks
That's
really
gorgeous.
nice with that.
And then so we're getting a little bit of pink going on here. To add some more, we've got these great fuchsias. This is a little Peter Pan fuchsia. Add a little pop of pink to bring out the pinks from the center here and here. And then you can put in a polka dot plant in the front, which would be really cute.
Very nice.
Or we've got more pink in the begonias, some annuals in there.
Very nice.
Which has the nice dark foliage too, that kind of makes everything else pop out a little bit more.
And then what about a spiller? Do you have any spillers?
We do have a spiller. This
Ooh,
one
look at
is
that.
so fun. It's the licorice plant, and it's so soft
Aw,
and
it's
fuzzy.
pretty.
I love it.
And that really pulls it together too. So you're kind of really bringing more of the colors together so that it really makes it cohesive. That's really a good tip for
Yes.
people because they are always at a loss like, how do I do this?
Yeah, kind of pick a palette and then keep going with it. So if you like your silvers and your blues, pick things that are silvers and blues, and then add a little pop of color with the pinks or reds even.
Ah, and we do have some other colors because if pink isn't your palette, then we have some bolder ones.
Yes, if you want to go very bold, the red banana is
Fun.
fantastic. This is definitely our thriller for the
Okay.
center. And then mimicking again the reds in our pot and in this beautiful heuchera down here.
Very
We've got some more
nice.
reds. And here's this guy made a resurgence.
All right, we can put him
Put a
in
little
too.
silver in there, and then it's bringing out the reds from the pot and the red banana.
Excellent. And a grass. I love that texture with these
Yes.
big leaves and then you have some thin leaves.
Yes, you definitely want to mix up your textures. So
Okay.
you have this nice big thick broad leaf, and then you want some nice flowy grasses
Excellent.
that you can pet and play with. So that'd be pretty over on the side.
All right.
We've also got this guy, the prayer plant, which is very, very nice. I would put him almost in the front so he hangs
All
over
right,
a
we're
little
gonna move
bit.
this Calibrachoa. Oh, that looks neat. And so that's kind of your spiller.
Yes, exactly.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, that is really nice. I love that. And then, so red bananas, I know that I was on the Al's website last fall, so you have a really cool video and a tip for that.
Yes, one of our assistant managers, Peter, has bananas that he's kept for years, and he's got a secret tip on how to keep them year round. So check our website for that.
All right, well, thanks. And then another kind of bright colors here. This is great.
Yes, this spring screams summer.
Uh-huh.
It's all the bright oranges, kind of a sunset feel to it. We've got a Dracaena, another house plant in here. And then we've got this little guy, is a sweet potato vine. That's the blackie. It actually puts on a really cute little pink flower too, which is fun. And then a bromeliad, mimicked the oranges in the begonia. And then this kalanchoe is just nice. Once it blooms out, it's just full and full of blooms. It's gorgeous.
That is nice. And I love this pot with it.
Yes, yeah, the nice shiny kind of bronze color is really nice.
Well, you really helped us a lot because I think those tips of echoing the colors and then textures are
Yes.
really kind of fun because it really makes it more interesting and more exciting.
Yes, yeah, and you can't do it wrong. I promise. You just pick things out that you like, and it'll make a beautiful container.
So Eve, we have all these beautiful things, but what about mechanics?
So you're going to need potting soil.
Of course.
And I would recommend our Al's potting
All
soil.
right.
It's great for both the indoor and outdoor plants. And then you're going to want some fertilizer. And you could use a slow release fertilizer so you don't have to fertilize as much because they're not as profuse of bloomers as our annuals usually are. And then I would give them a little bit of a kick every 2 weeks with our water soluble fertilizer.
Well, you've made it so easy. Thank you so
you.
much. And so exciting and creative. Well, if you have any questions about these lovely containers, please go to Al's Garden Home. They have 4 different locations and people that are so creative to help you create these beauties right at your own home. Thanks so much.